Hello friends and student, once again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video, we are going to solve some example on fundamental identities. Eliminate theta from the given relations. This is a video part 1. This topic belongs to the 11th standard of State Board, Maharashtra State Board, as well as CBSE, Central State Board, and also for ICSE board. So we shall start with the example. Now I have taken 4 example. Eliminate theta if number 1 x is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Number 2 x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to b sin cube theta. Number 3 x is equal to 2 cos theta minus sin theta, y is equal to cos theta plus 2 sin theta, and fourth is x is equal to 2 cos theta minus 3 sin theta, y is equal to cos theta plus 2 sin theta. So we solve one by one. The first is number 1 solution. The relations are given: x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. Therefore, we divide by a. So x upon a is equal to sec theta, and we divide by b, the second equation, y upon b is equal to tan theta. Now we know the second identity. There are 3 identities. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. And third is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. By only using this identity, we can eliminate theta. Eliminate theta means the relation does not involve the theta. Now, squaring the equations. Now, squaring the equations. Therefore, x square upon a square is equal to sec square theta, and y square upon b square is equal to tan square theta. Now we using identity 2. Therefore, using identity 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus tan square means y square upon b square is equal to sec square means x square upon a square. Therefore, we rearrange the term: x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, which is the relation in which theta is eliminated. Hence, theta is eliminated. In this way, by using identity, we can eliminate the theta from the given relation. Now, next, number 2. The second is x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to b sin cube theta. Therefore, first we dividing a the relation 1 and b the equation number 2. X upon a we get cos cube theta and y upon b is equal to sin cube theta. Now identity first, identity number 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Being the square, we need the square. We don't need the index 3. So first we raising index by 1 by 3. Therefore, x upon a raised to 1 by 3 gives cos theta, and y by b raised to 1 by 3 gives sin theta. Now squaring and adding, we get x upon a raised to 2 by 3 plus y upon b raised to 2 by 3 is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by identity. Therefore, x raised to 2 by 3 upon a raised to 2 by 3 by laws of indices, a upon b raised to n is a raised to n upon b raised to n plus y raised to 2 by 3 upon b raised to 2 by 3. So, there is no theta. So, hence theta is eliminated. Third is x is equal to 2 cos theta minus sin theta, y is equal to cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Solution. Now, we will observe that 2 cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta plus 2 tan. The coefficient of cos theta is 2, coefficient of cos theta is 1, coefficient of sin theta is 1, coefficient of sin theta is 2. So, there is an alternative, the coefficients 2, 2, 1, minus 1, only change in minus 1. If you square and add, you will get 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Therefore, by squaring and adding, we get identities and hence we can remove this. So, squaring and adding. Squaring and adding, we get x square plus y square is equal to 2 cos theta minus sin theta its square plus cos theta plus 2 sin theta its square. That is, we know a minus b square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta into sin theta plus sin square theta. It is the square of the first bracket. Now the square of the second bracket, a plus b bracket square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here it is cos square theta plus 4 cos theta into sin theta plus 4 sin square theta is equal to 4 cos square theta sin square theta plus and minus, so they get cancelled. 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta, taking 4 common, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, it is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 5. Here there is no theta involved in this equation. Therefore, theta is eliminated. In this way, we solve 3 examples. Now, next, number third. X is equal to 2 cos theta minus 3 sin theta, y is equal to cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Now, this is a different from the example in 3. In example 3, there is the interchange of the coefficient of sin and cos with sin, with minus sign. So, by squaring and adding, we get the middle terms cancel. Here, there is no such common coefficients. Coefficient of cos is 2, coefficient of cos is 1, coefficient of sin theta is minus 3 and coefficient of sin here 2. They are different. So, these equations are simultaneous equation in the unknown cos theta and sin theta. So, we solve by Cramer's rule. Let the equation be 1 and 2. We can solve by using Cramer's rule. By using Cramer's rule. For that, we take cos theta upon, it is a determinant, is equal to minus sin theta upon a determinant is equal to 1 upon determinant. Cos theta. Now we take the determinant of remaining coefficients of the terms, that is xy minus 3 2, xy minus 3 2, minus sin theta. Second is we have to take minus sin theta. The coefficients are xy 2 1 and 1, the coefficients of sin and cos 2 minus 3 1 2. Therefore, cos theta upon expanding the determinant x into 2 2x plus 3 into y minus sin x minus 2y is equal to 1 upon 4 minus minus plus 3. Therefore, cos theta upon 2x plus 3y is equal to, we multiply sin theta minus sin to the denominator. So it is 2y minus x is equal to 1 upon 7. Therefore, we take two ratios equal. First we take cos theta upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 7. Cos theta upon 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 upon 7. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 2x plus 3y upon 7. This is the value of cos theta. Now, we take sin theta upon 2y minus x is equal to 1 upon 7. Sin theta upon 2y minus x is equal to 1 upon 7. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 2y minus x upon 7. We get another equation. Now, squaring and adding. Squaring and adding, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 2x plus 3y upon 7 bracket square plus 2y minus x upon 7 bracket square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 by identity 1. Therefore, 2x plus 3y bracket square upon 7 square is 49 is equal to 2y minus x bracket square, here it is, plus divided by 49 is equal to 1. Multiplying by 49 throughout. Therefore, 2x plus 3y bracket square plus 2y minus x bracket square is equal to 49. In this equation, there is no theta involved. Hence, theta is eliminated. In this way, we solve 4 simple examples how to eliminate theta from the given relations. In this way, we have solved 4 equations. Thanking you for watching my videos.